Here we have a 2019, it's a Audi Q5 with a 2.0 turbo motor. We just did a rear muffler delete on the back. As you can see, it comes from a single pipe, splits into two. We left the factory style tips on there, so you don't see much on these cars. Looking back, you see they're just kind of flush there. They're kind of fake outlets there. Left it all stock, including the call it mid muffler, and the front resonator or front muffler. It's all stock off the turbo with the catalytic converters, of course. Just want to give it a little sound. Customer doesn't want it too loud, so it should wake it up a little bit. Let's see what it sounds like. Well, you can hear it now at least. It's not too crazy loud. You can always take this mid muffler off to give it a little more sound. Certainly the more mufflers you take off, the louder it's going to be, but depending on how loud you want to make it, after you start just doing the rear muffler delete. So have to see what they want to do from here.